To activate your WUR-COM device, follow these steps. Once the WUR-COM has been powered up, take note of the serial number listed on the registration screen. Use the camera app on your phone to scan the QR code. On the sign-up page, configure your plan. Enter the number of WUR-COM units in the field, then click the green Update Totals button. Fill out the required fields. Enter the first and last name of the owner or building manager, then provide the email address, phone, and organization. In the Additional Information section, enter the name of the building, address, city, state, and zip code. Enter the monitoring service email and phone number, the car station name and serial number, and, if applicable, the lobby station name and serial number. Note that the number of fields will increase for each WUR-COM unit that you added in the Configure Your Plan section. Be sure to complete the information for every WUR-COM car station and lobby station. After completing the fields, check the box to accept the terms and conditions, then click the green Place My Order button. After submitting the form, you will receive a confirmation email. During standard business hours, please allow up to 15 minutes for the registration to be processed.